How to use the Windows HDR calibration app to make your monitor shine. The app is simple, free, and would not require anything but an HDR display, Windows 11, and your eyes. More and more high resolution displays are cutely including HDR capabilities as an added feature, and now Windows 11 will help make sure they are used to the best of their ability with the new Windows HDR calibration app. The Windows HDR calibration app available for free from Microsoft via the Microsoft Store was a small app that Microsoft launched alongside the Windows 11 2022 update 22H2. It does not appear to depend on Windows 11 22H2 specifically, though it does require Windows 11. The app ship will with some relatively strict hardware requirements. You shall need an AMD Ryzen with integrated Radeon graphics or an 11th gen Intel Core chip, Ice Lake or higher. Alternatively, the app will work with pretty much any processor with a discrete GPU, AMD RX 400 or NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1000 or later. Of course, you shall need an HDR capable display to what's HDR again. As our primer on HDR on the PC explains, high dynamic range content more closely emulates the range of light as it fades from the deepest blacks to the brightest brights. So if you have ever watched a dark scene and noticed a faint glow around even pitch black scenes, that's not HDR. HDR essentially instructs the display to make those pitch black scenes as dark as possible, but to dial up the brightness when necessary. When configured correctly, HDR enables a nice upgrade in picture quality. What our explanatory article describes in more details can be summed up briefly. HDR works best when the display is capable of both high contrast ratio for the darkest darks as well as high light output for the brightest brights. That can be achieved in several different physical ways. One important tell so though the HDR rating of your display, an HDR10 or HDR400 display may not put out quite enough light to make HDR truly effective, but an HDR1000 display does. There one other important point in the Windows 11 setting menu: system display HDR. Windows should tell you if your display is certified for HDR. That's important as that communicates to the Windows 11 OS that HDR is enabled. HDR certified display typically work great out of the box without any additional calibration. Microsoft Windows HDR calibration app page notes, however, you should still consider using the Windows HDR calibration app on your HDR display. In other words, if your display is certified, it probably works just fine already, though the app can tweak it further if Windows does not report your display as certified. The Windows HDR's configuration app is exactly what you shall need in all. Configuring your HDR display is a simple process. It takes only a few minutes, and there even a quick fix if you think you have messed it all up. How to use the Windows HDR calibration app? As luck would have it, a vendor had recently pitched